Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty insights. Today, we're talking about a mascara that promises to plump your lashes and stay on all day long. If you're someone who loves bold, voluminous lashes without the need for constant touch-ups, this might just be the product for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's dive right into the details of the LA Colors Mini Bold Mascara in black. This mascara comes in a convenient carded packaging, and it's a pack of 2, so you get double the value. It's designed to give your lashes an instant volume boost, providing a bold, dramatic look with just one swipe. The key feature here is its rubber applicator brush, which is said to help coat each lash evenly and precisely, avoiding any clumping. In terms of ingredients, it's pretty straightforward with what you'd expect from a mascara. There are no crazy additives, just the basics to help you achieve that full lash look without irritating your eyes. I've been using this mascara for a few weeks now, and I have to say, the rubber brush makes a huge difference in application. It's incredibly easy to use, and it helps avoid any clumps that can sometimes make mascaras feel heavy. The formula itself is quite buildable, so whether you want a natural look or something more dramatic, it caters to both. One thing I've noticed is that it truly lives up to its long-lasting promise. I've worn it through full days of work and even a workout, and it stayed put without flaking or smudging, which is a major plus for anyone who's constantly on the go. That said, while it's definitely long-lasting, I do feel that if you're someone who's looking for a mascara that also lengthens, this may not be the absolute best fit. It really focuses more on volume, which is great if that's your priority, but don't expect super defined, lengthened lashes from this one. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest pro here is definitely the volume. If you're in need of a mascara that gives a plumped up full lash effect, this is a great option. The brush is easy to maneuver, and the formula holds up really well throughout the day. On the flip side, the lack of lengthening properties might be a deal breaker for those looking for that extra lift in their lashes. It's also worth noting that the formula can feel a little thick, so if you're into lightweight mascaras, this might feel a bit heavy on the lashes. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a solid buy. You get 2 tubes for a pretty reasonable price, and it performs well considering the price point. The volume is impressive for such an affordable product, and for anyone on a budget, this is definitely a product worth considering. If you're someone who wants more length, you might want to try something else, but in terms of volume, this one delivers. There are other options out there, but they tend to be pricier or don't provide as bold a look, so this one strikes a good balance between cost and performance. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. It's sturdy enough for daily use and travel-friendly, and the product inside feels consistent with what you'd expect from a drugstore brand. Nothing too fancy, but functional and effective. Midway through, I just want to check in with you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I've never had to interact with LA Colors directly, but they have a solid reputation for providing responsive customer service. So if you ever have an issue, you can expect a quick resolution. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable alternative, you could check out Maybelline's Lash Sensational, which is known for both volume and length. Or if you're okay with spending a little more, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara offers a similar volume boost with a bit more lengthening power. To wrap things up, the LA Colors Mini Bold Mascara is a great choice for anyone who loves bold, voluminous lashes that last all day. It's not perfect for those seeking length, but if you're after a thick, dramatic lash look, it does the job. I would recommend it to anyone who prioritizes volume over other qualities, especially if you're looking for an affordable option. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.